Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to add an Evite to your Apple calendar. So the first thing you have to do is to log in or sign in to your Evite account. Then on the top right corner, click on your profile image, then click on my invitations. This would show you a list of all your invitations. Then the next step would be for you to click or select the manage option here. So once you select, just scroll down and choose manage events. Click on manage events. It should take you to a different page where you can actually manage or edit the details of your events. So from here, all you have to do is to click on this option here, then click on event notification setting. This would take you to a page where you can actually edit your notification and scheduling time for that particular event. So it will bring out a menu like this where you can actually set your reminders. You can set up to 2 reminders, and you have the duration of 1 to 3 days to do that. So once you've set, click on save, and then or you can just click on this X icon. It would bring us to a page like this, and then just scroll down just after the card itself. Click on the calendar option there. So once you click on it, you would see 3 options: add to Google Calendar, add to Apple Calendar, and Outlook. Select the Apple Calendar and to connect to your Apple account, and you can sign in from there, and the event will automatically be added to that category. So that is how to actually add Evite to your Apple calendar. So if this video has been helpful to you in any way, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.